This couch is from 25 Home. It was sent to me. It was so easy to set up.
Honestly, so much easier than we were expecting.
And super light.
Okay, yeah, so that has to go on that side. That hook has to go on that.
Yeah, so that's how simple it is to connect them.
There you go.
Look at that. Let's set that down nice and gently.
Yay!
That was pretty easy.
It took 5 minutes. The people that are buying the home fell in love with this couch that's not gonna fit in our new home. They have 4 boys. Actually, no, I think they have 3 boys and 1 girl. We're happy that they're gonna be able to enjoy it. I believe the name of this is the U Sectional. It's 140 inches. It's the Aalto Plume Beige. And you can buy like this middle part so that you can extend it. It could be 170 inches. And then they have like, you know, this type of fabric in different colors. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4 of the beige pillows. It comes with these 2 accent pillows. This zippers, and you can throw this in the wash, which is so funny because my other couch, we should have shown how hard it was to take those off and put them back on too. It took you like a good hour.
Brutal.
Look at this. This is so nice. This is like putting a pillowcase on. I think it's stunning. I love the material. I love the color. It's just so comfy. This is so wide. And then I also wanted to be able to sit on this part, you know?
Yeah, this one's definitely deeper.
Look how wide this is.
Yeah. Yeah. That's practically a bed.
Can you bring me my ribs? Go get the chest. It's an insane joke.
Yeah, that thing's huge.
It's great.
Comfy?
Would you buy a couch from me?
Oh, yeah.
I was a saleswoman.
Oh, sold.
At a place, and I was like, buy this couch.
I would have put 2 in my truck already. Does it come with you?
I'll throw me in for free for you.
Oh, perfect. What a
for
deal.
most people, I don't do this, but for you, they always say that. Every single salesperson.
What a bargain.